What's up, YouTube? This your boy, Chevy Addict, with another video, y'all. All right, y'all, we here today to discuss what's in this box right here. Y'all know my famous unboxing. You know what I mean? This is my first time doing an unboxing this week, but it won't be the last time. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. This package right here is a puzzle piece to the mastermind, so stay tuned.
Come ride with Chevy Addict. Let's beat the block down. Like, comment, subscribe, and most of all, hype.
The whole world better recognize Chevy's is good on the eyes. It's more than a hood thing. It's about that Chevy love, man. I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit, cause I'm a Chevy addict. Yeah, man. Do what you love, and love what you do. If it's more than a habit, be a Chevy addict. Ain't it, man? Chevys get ready. 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 Chevys get ready.
I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit. I'm a Chevy addict.
It's a Chevy thing. Rolling in my Tahoe on 28s. I gotta be great, making an earthquake and windows shake. 418s make it scream, or I can come real cool and slide through. And the cut is old school on 24s. You know what I mean, man? It's a Chevy thing.
Do what you love.
I'm back, YouTube. I'm back. All right, y'all. Let me stress this enough. All right. This right here is one of the pieces I needed to install this install in my truck. All right. Let me give you a little backstory. Over the years, I've been running number sky high everything in my bills. So this is the first time ever I went against the grain or some different material. So y'all know I got these 10s and these 12s going on my door panel. So I need the proper wire to run these doors, the console, the kick panel. So I chose this right here. So stay tuned. I got some more coming. But anyway, y'all, this, like I said before, there's so many brands out there do the same thing. So I'm trying something totally different this time around. This whole bill is totally different than my normal bills. So I reached out to KnuKonceptz, and I'm gonna take a look at their product firsthand to show you what I chose and why I chose it. So let's go ahead with this unboxing, y'all. Let me find my trusty. One of my best friends right here, y'all. You can go on KnuKonceptz.com and get your order on. All right, let me go ahead and bust this tape off. They always deliver through UPS. So y'all know, when y'all order it, y'all gonna have a box just like this. All right, y'all, got the tape broken loose. All right, let me break this down to you. I got this box when I went to my appointment this morning. I want to say about 2:30 they dropped it off. Y'all see how the box came nice and concrete. You feel me? So the packaging in good shape, y'all. So let's go ahead and open this box and see what's inside this box, y'all. All right, y'all, here we go. Right here is my, let me get my address out for us. So I don't want no pop-ups. Can't afford no pop-ups right now. All right, y'all. Show y'all the paperwork right here. Y'all can make that out. It says 250 feet OFC flexible blue wire. Man, oh man, let's see. It costs 6.75% Ohio state taxes. So $65.62 for this roll. So, like I said, let's take it out and see what happens, y'all. Oh, here we go. Came nice in a nice roll right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nice and fancy. Got KnuKonceptz right here. The wire wrapped up right here. As y'all see, the wire wrapped up in here. So now, I want to see. I can see it's real flexible. So I'm not gonna remove this plastic. Just know. I tell you where I am. Hold on. My knife here. Got a hard type of plastic, right? All right. Got to finish this wire started. I'm not gonna take out the whole plastic because I don't want to lose this plastic. All right, here we go. All right, this is OFC now. All my wire is OFC. You got OFC written on the jacket right here. Kind of small. I can't hardly see. I know y'all can't see it. Right here, it's the 16 gauge, y'all. Right here, as y'all can tell. Nice and flexible. Yeah, good little braided wire. Nice and flexible. Y'all see that? I'm just using this little piece right here as a demonstration. Look at how flexible that wire is, y'all. Yes, sir. One piece. And one more coming, y'all. So that's the 16 gauge wire. So we got some 8 gauge coming. And that's it for the wire. So I'm gonna wire my doors up and my subs, my new box. And lastly, y'all, maybe the amp, maybe some more wire. You never know till you stay tuned, y'all. Appreciate you, y'all. Salute to y'all. Thank everybody for helping me get to this milestone, 10,000 subscribers, y'all. Actually, I'm at 10,232 subscribers right now, y'all. What a blessing. Thank y'all so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank y'all. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, and hit that hype button, y'all. We see y'all on the next unboxing. Peace.
I am Chevy Addict. I want to thank everyone for watching my video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hype. Be blessed.